This video introduces the threat extraction engine for Mission Center, which is available on GitHub. The README file on GitHub is the canonical resource for the project. It provides all of the information needed to run the threat extraction engine. This video is a higher-level overview of how it works. The Mission Center test instance has 195 threads within 5 categories. A subset of those threads have discussions that include indicators of compromise, or IOCs. For example, I created this thread with a few IOCs from F-Secure's report, The Dukes. The texts that are highlighted have been identified as IOCs. Mission Center exposes a REST API, which can be used to download those IOCs in Stix XML or JSON format. The window on the right shows the Stix XML format. The overlain red boxes highlight the values of the IOCs and match the IOCs shown in the window on the left. The Malware Information Sharing Platform, MISP, exposes a REST API for uploading Stix XML. After upload, you can see through the color-coded boxes the same IOC values are now present on MISP. The threat extraction engine for Mission Center facilitates communication between these two APIs. The Stix XML is downloaded from the Mission Center instance and then submitted to the MISP instance. To synchronize a subset of the categories on the Mission Center instance, we need to determine the category ID. The G flag MC_get_categories generates a report on screen and writes a CSV to the report's subdirectory. A similar flag is used to generate the reports for threads in order to specify the thread IDs. Only a subset of the 195 threads are printed to screen, so the report is opened in the next slide. The image on the bottom shows this CSV report opened in Microsoft Excel. The thread ID for the F-Secure thread we explored earlier is shown here. The thread ID is specified in the G flag MC_include_threads, and a single Stix XML file is downloaded from the Mission Center instance to the staging directory. That directory, along with the failed and complete directories, are used to track the work. If the file has previously been staged or completed, there's no need to download it again. If I rerun an earlier command to reprocess the F-Secure thread, the script finds the Stix file in complete and bulks. If you want to force reprocessing, simply remove the file from the complete directory. Without specification of a list of categories or threads, all of the Stix from all of the threads is downloaded to staging, uploaded to MISP, and then moved to complete. We've been using G flags on the command line in order to show the various functionality, but more typical usage is to place the G flags into a configuration file and then only specify the path to that file. G flags and flag files are described in detail on the Abseil website and in the README for the threat extraction engine. Again, that README on GitHub is the canonical resource for usage of the threat extraction engine. In the next video, uploading IOCs to Splunk Enterprise Security will be shown.